Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Atlanta Falcon Nation, rise up. But after another blown opportunity for a W, all we're going to say is keep your head up. This your boy Kstylz coming through with my bird call word of the week, affiliated with Atlanta Falcons Nation and the new Tuesday night heavy hitters. I'm very disappointed in what I'm seeing from this team right now. But I digress. My Atlanta Falcons word of the week is why, you motherfuckers. I don't know what to say. We have seen this team blow 5 games where they were up 16 plus points since the Super Bowl. Ain't no other team has done that. That's crazy. Which lets me know that this is a culture here with the Falcons that is very disappointing and that nobody is holding anybody accountable for nothing. Really? Really? That's a damn shame. And we can look at these coaches, we can look at the players, but at the end of the day, the head honcho has to take the fall for this one because he is allowing mediocrity. He wants cookie cutter image players. He wants this imperfect image. But is this perfect image winning you games? The year after the Super Bowl, we have seen this team regress drastically. We've seen coaches get fired, scapegoat. Who you gonna scapegoat now? I want to see this team. I want to see some guys with some heart out there. Because this team is small, soft, baby shit, soft, Charmin, whatever you want to call it. It seems like every week we got these other teams coming in trying to bully our players, and our players ain't sticking up for nobody. When like I said, why is gonna be the question. Why is this continuing? Arthur Blank, we looking at you. What do you want from this team? Now, we're going to get to my prediction and what my thoughts will be for this upcoming Monday night football game against the Green Bay Packers up at Lambeau Field. Be honest with you, I do not have a good feeling about this game. I don't know what Falcon team I'm going to get. I don't know what to expect. But knowing the history of what team we do have, these are usually the type of games they will win. But I don't see us winning this weekend or upcoming Monday. I see Green Bay beating us 34-24. And Aaron Rodgers is going to go the hell off. Because we let 2 mediocre to below average quarterbacks beat us like they did. Now, if the Falcons play 100% clean football, it might be a closer game than that, or it might be a 50-50 toss-up. Well, let me know what y'all think. Give me your thoughts, questions, comments, and we gonna answer them in an upcoming video. This your boy Kstylz. Make sure you follow on Just Kstylz, YouTube. Also Atlanta Falcons Nation on YouTube and Twitter. Signing off. Deuce.